लाया शुभ संदेश, काटे तिमिर का जाल अब, जगमग हो परिवेश। ज्योति पर्व के दिन मिले कुछ ऐसा वरदान, खुशियां बरसे हर तरफ, सबका हो कल्याण। आई है दीपावली, बांटो खुशियां प्यार, दीपक से दीपक चला, दूर करो अंधियार।
Respected Principal, Brother Albert Ibrahim, Vice Principal, Brother Prashant Kullu, Brother K.C. James, Headmistress and Coordinators, teachers, and my dear fellow Montfortians. Today we invite you all in the Diwali celebration of Montfort School, Roorkee.
The Festival of Lights, Diwali. It is the most important Hindu festival celebrated in India. It is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Rama along with Devi Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman to Ayodhya after 14 years of Vanvas.
Diwali or Deepavali is the festival of lights. It symbolizes the victory of light over darkness. On this day, people celebrate and they wish each other, and also they exchange sweets and decorate their houses with diyas, lights and rangolis. This is an excellent way of strengthening ties between one another who follow different religion, customs or traditions.
According to Hindu philosophy, it is said, worshipping Lakshmi during Diwali cleanses our soul and paves the way to her to enter our houses with lots of happiness and blessings. The whole atmosphere lays a fascinating spectacle. It is believed that Diwali brings prosperity and good luck to many people. For instance, in Jainism, it is said Diwali marks the spiritual awakening of Lord Mahavira. In Sikhism, it commemorates the return of Guru Har Gobind Ji from wrongful imprisonment.
But sometimes it results in the depletion of the ecosystem from the burning crackers. So what about switching to eco-friendly Diwali? In this case, it will not harm our ecosystem. One can start it by just lighting diyas and making rangolis and avoiding the loud and sound-filled crackers. Also, they can use green crackers as an alternative. Keeping up the same spirit of celebration in mind, here we unfold a program presented by the students of our school. Dance by the middle section, followed by the dramatic dance depicting the story of Ramayana by the primary section, and at last the Diwali wishes from the KG students. I hope these programs will entertain you and bring a smile on your face.
करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की न बातें हूँ, बस मुलाकातें हूँ,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। अपने तिलक लगाए, आज अपने भाग हम सवारे।
हमसे धन की देवी रूठे ना कभी,
डोर सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी,
सबको यही देती संदेशा।
doing? Why are they cleaning so much? Is there a special occasion coming up? Don't you know Diwali is fast approaching? There are very few days left for the preparations. Moreover, the weather is changing, and hence we need to clean the house and surroundings to make it more cozy and comfortable for the upcoming winters. But why do we celebrate Diwali? There must be a good reason for that as well. On this auspicious day, Lord Rama had returned from exile after 14 long years. To give him a warm welcome, people lit lights, lamps, and called the day Diwali, the festival of lights. Oh wow! I'm so excited about Diwali. Absolutely, let's start off with the festivities. What's happened? Why are you coughing? Because of the pollution caused by the crackers. And I am asthmatic.
Well, this happens every year to me during Diwali. This is because people burn crackers which causes pollution. Pollution in turn causes health issues in everyone, including animals and plants as well.
So my dear children, let's learn to celebrate Diwali not just by bursting crackers, rather also by doing other pleasant things like helping the needy, lighting the artworks from poor vendors, distributing sweets among the dear ones, etc. This way, you can make your Diwali bright and others even brighter. That's a great idea! Let's start fresh! Happy Diwali, everyone!
हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर। हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर। हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर, हाँ उसी का नूर। रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है हाँ कहीं पे जरूर। रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है हाँ कहीं पे जरूर।
दिवाली आई मेरी प्यारी हैप्पी दिवाली। जगमगाती रात ये आई खुशियाँ कितनी सारी लाई। नए नए कपड़े पहने मीठी मीठी मिठाई खाई। दिवाली आई मीठी वाली हैप्पी दिवाली। दिवाली आई रोशनी वाली हैप्पी दिवाली। जगमग जगमग दीप जले गुप चुप खुशी फैले। हम सब मिलकर साथ में खेले तारा जौन पर मीत अली। दिवाली आई खुशियों वाली हैप्पी दिवाली।
याद रखना अभी कोरोना है, पटाखों के धुएं में खुशी को नहीं खोना है। दीपक सजाओ, मिठाई खाओ, परिवार के साथ खुशी मनाओ। हाथों को धो, मास्क लगाओ, इस दिवाली को सेफ बनाओ।
दिवाली आई दीपों वाली हैप्पी दिवाली। मेरी प्याली मीठी वाली रोशनी वाली खुशियों वाली दीपों वाली हैप्पी दिवाली।
चारू मेर हुई मिलाट ते आया मारा पावड़ा। के स्वागत करावे फुलवारी रे साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी ये किलकारी रे। वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई धगा परियारी रे। शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे। मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवाड़ो जी रे।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे। शुभ दिन आयो रे। आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे। शुभ दिन आयो बनने वायो नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो। शुभ दिन आयो बनने वायो नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो। होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे। होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे। आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे। आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे। ओ आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे।
Wishing you all a very happy, safe and blessed Diwali. Thank you.
Dear parents and friends, I hope you had enjoyed the program filled with joyful messages. Now I request our principal, Brother Albert Ibrahim, to express his thoughts on this occasion.
Dear students, parents, staff and well-wishers of Montfort School, Roorkee, Happy Diwali to you all. Light is an important factor in this world. Light makes things visible. In light, we can walk straight. We can be away from or remove the obstructions in our journey when there is light in our life. Most often when we speak about light, it is referred to the light that makes the physical objects visible. On the occasion of Diwali, we lit the lamps in the night and make things around them visible. It is something beautiful and make us all happy. But when we decorate our houses and pathways with lights and distribute sweets to our near and dear ones. Don't forget to reflect upon what these symbolic acts mean. These symbolic acts have a great relevance. They are there to let us learn few important things in life. It is up to us to learn and practice the implied meanings of them. Diwali could be taken as an occasion to cleanse our hearts and minds, bring light into the dark areas of our life, and beautify our life by making the best use of the innate goodness in us. Most often, our innate human nature to love the nature and other beings are shadowed by greed and ego, the base of every other sin. These dark areas in our life have to be brightened with the light of positivity, so that we would be able to introspect and see our shortcomings and areas to be improved. My dear students, parents and staff, ultimately everything we do in our life is to make us happy. The inner source of each one's push towards any action is a desire to reach the saturation point of happiness. I repeat, the inner source of each one's push towards any action is a desire to reach the saturation point of happiness. In our life journey, longing for the saturation point of happiness, there is something that each one of us needs to be aware of. The obstacles in our journey is not somewhere out. It is within each one of us. On the occasion of this Diwali, let us introspect and find out the dark areas in our life and bring light there. Let us bring the light of positivity, love and care for each one of us, and dispel the dark areas, the obstacles of greed, ego, enmity, pride, etc. in our journey towards the ultimate happiness. Once again, a happy Diwali to each one of you. Thank you. May God bless each one of you.